Welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn to use DataGridView. This DataGridView we will place in Windows Form application. So what is a Windows Form application? It is an application that is designed to be used on a computer, and it will not run on a web browser, because if it runs on a web browser, then it becomes a web application. Okay, so we will start by creating our project. To create our project, we will first go to the file menu. So you can see here I am going to file menu, then click on new project. In this we need to select Windows Form application. So I am renaming my project to DataGrid example. Now click on OK. My project is getting created. So for placing a DataGrid view, we will first see on the right side there is Solution Explorer, and on the left side there is Toolbox. On right side below you can see Properties window. Now to use DataGridView, the first step is to create a database. So we will be displaying the data of this table in our DataGridView. So DataGridView, it is a powerful and flexible way to display data in tabular format. So you can display read-only data, or you can provide editing for the data. So to create a database, I will right click on my project, then click on add, then new item. From this, scroll down and select service based database. Click on add. Now my database is being created. So you can see the content of my database in the Server Explorer. For Server Explorer, go to View and then you can get it from there. Then you can see my database 1. Now I need to add tables. So when you browse it, you will get to see this table section. For creating table, right click on this tables, go to add new table. So you can see the design view here. So here my design view is loaded. Now you can type the name of the table column and then select the data type, then allow nulls or set it to default value. So first I am putting customer name as my column name. Customer ID, first is customer ID and next is customer name. And next is customer city. So ID is integer and other two it will accept string values. ID is set to primary key. Now to save these changes you need to click on the update. Now click on update database and then your table is created. So I have renamed it to customer_info, and you can refresh and see in table section it appears there. Now I want to fill some data in this table. So for that, again I'll right click and click on show table data. So the contents of my table will be shown here. You can manually enter some random data. So here I am entering customer ID 1, then customer name John, and city as New York. Similarly, I can add more rows to our table. You can save the changes now after entering the data. So I've completed entering my data. Now I will place my data grid view in my form. So from toolbox, I will be selecting this data grid view. If your toolbox is not visible, you can go to view and then toolbox. So here I am placing this data grid view, and I need to connect this data grid view to my database. So for that, choose data source. So here it is none. You can go to add data source, click on database, then next, then dataset next, and then new connection is established. You can view the connection string here, and then again click on next. So here different tables that we have created in our database will be displayed. Select your table and click on finish. Now my table is connected. You can test and view the data or preview your data by going to preview data section, or you can allow editing by clicking on these checkboxes. Go to preview data and then preview. So you can preview this table that we had selected. Now my data grid view is ready. I will start my application. So this is my output. You can see the data grid view and the data we have entered. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel for more content.